Background information. Change can also occur as a result of trade, travel, war, and exchange of ideas. Trade brings people to new areas to sell and barter goods. Whenever people travel, they bring their language, customs, and ideas with them. They also bring elements of foreign cultures back with them when they return home. Throughout history, traders and explorers have brought home new foods, clothing, jewelry, and other goods. Some of these, such as gold, chocolate, gunpowder, and silk, became popular all over the world. Trade in these items changed the course of history. Culture can also change as a result of technology. The telegraph, telephones, and email have made communication increasingly faster and easier. Television and the internet have given people in all parts of the world easy access to information and new ideas. Elements of culture such as language, clothing styles, customs, and behaviors spread quickly as people discover them by watching television and using the internet. The term cultural diffusion refers to this sharing of cultural elements.